What's up? What's up? What's up? So we're currently in West Virginia. Got 24.7. So I want to say 24 and a half miles till we eat to our delivery. Got another FedEx run. Fucking hate these old Swift trailers. If you guys are not following the TikTok will be somewhere on the screen right now. Alright, so we dropping this load. Oh, damn. We is dropping this load off, and then we're gonna go pick up a Target load that'll be ready at 2100. So if I'm not mistaken, that is 9 o'clock tonight, and it is currently 2 p.m. Oh, I'm not in my lane. I'm so sorry, my man. Nobody's gonna be here at the FedEx on a Sunday, so they told me just drop the load. Bobtail, he gonna send me another location to go pick up an empty trailer, and that's that. The load drops off in Hampton, Georgia tomorrow morning. Not tomorrow morning, by 1900 tomorrow. That was probably one of the smoothest turns I ever fucking did. Damn. Alright, so where the hell did they want me to drop this? $15.04. See, we put that right there. Boom. I do like to do this in an order, but I don't really care about it right now, because as you see, it does get tangled if you don't do it properly. My OCD does not like that. All right, and then we're gonna come over here. To think that I drive this rig down the road every day is crazy. So you come over here, hold that up with one hand. Really, you're supposed to, fold this and put it in a Ziploc bag, but I don't got time to do that right now. It's not going nowhere. So I was told to start using the microphone more. Damn it. My landing gear is also on the other side. But I was told to start using my microphone more. I don't know if you guys can hear me or if it even sounds good. Because I am on the outside of the truck and the truck's loud as hell. But we're going to drop this trailer. These broken ass landing gears. you actually want it to be about an inch off the ground. So that way, somebody else, when they're coming back under it, they don't gotta struggle to lift 38,000 pounds. Grab my phone, record a little TikTok real quick, and then drop this trailer and get on. Right here is so clean. Alright, so we're already at $150 with 29 gallons in the tank. It's crazy. So I'm recording a YouTube video, right, for the channel, and I realized that my camera settings on my GoPro are a little fucked up. So if the previous clips were a little chopped, then I'm gonna fix them. And for the next couple, they're still gonna be a little fucked up because I'm not gonna keep recording off my phone the whole time. Like, look at the beautiful state of Ohio. I know in the last video I said that I was gonna record some Blitz Week content. I did wind up recording. There's literally nothing that happened. We are broke down for 2 out of the 3 days. And I realized in the previous video that it was doing like a black and white like thing to the screen. That's because it was the way I color graded my content. So now I gotta start doing it completely different, and it's gonna look a little more different. I like the way that it had looked when I went and looked at that gray Freightliner in the first video. So I've been sticking with that way, but I'm just gonna have to wind up changing it. But I also don't know how long this video is gonna be. This video could be 5 minutes, this video could be 15, 20. The longest I'm ever gonna make a video is 20 minutes.
Yo, Chicago.
I'm gonna be honest.
This is not what I expected. Alright, so at this point in the video, I started raining so hard, you guys would not be able to understand what I was even saying.
Jackson Dispatch Express.
What's going on, Chris? I talked to don't even know who. They said that they were going to contact the facility I'm at because I went to every door and I cannot find shipping and receiving office.
Correct. We're currently in that email chain working on this now. We're trying to get it's U.S. Express load, so we're having to get with them to get answers.
All right, I just wanted to call and ask what was going on because I did go and ring the doorbell and still nothing.
Yep, we're working on it.
Okay, cool. You would think that they want this fucking trailer, but they don't seem like it. Well, can't find where the hell this load's supposed to be going. As you see, it's raining. Alright, so I know in the video, when I put the mic in, the mic sounds like shit. It sounds like straight boo-boo ubu the fool. So what we're gonna do, we are going to just start editing the videos a little bit better so that way you guys can hear me more. But this is the only place that it looks like we could drop a trailer. My dispatch has still yet to get back to me. Fleet manager has still yet to get back to me. It is like 7 o'clock now. I only got 4 hours left on my clock. So I gotta figure out where I can drop this trailer. Because there was a spot open over here when we first got here, but that spot's no longer open. Alright, YouTube, so I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video, but I was finally able to drop off the trailer in the spot that I said I might just drop the trailer. Winded up taking 2 hours for somebody to come to me and tell me that I could drop the trailer. Cause shit'll be tripping. Well, that's out of date. Walk around, at least make sure the lights work. She would have looked like a sock. Whoa, I almost fell. I don't know where we're going next, but I don't think this trailer's gonna pass. Always do your pre-trip on your fucking trailer, guys. Because I don't have anywhere to throw that away, or I would. That bitch is locked at the top, so I don't know why it's doing that. If you've ever had that tomato soup, you know what.
You ever hear the phrase, holy Moses? Well, it's appropriate right here because that ball was hit at 120 miles per hour. And that's how many years Moses is said to have lived. Don't think I ever read a story where you could